Y'all want to know why I'm laying on the floor like this? It was the 12 hours straight with Instacart. I'm talking sun up to sundown, 12 hours. No stopping, no eating. If you want to see how much I made, watch to the end. Team, run it up. Let's get it.
2:45, I'm still working, 500 degrees, passion burning. I think you forgot, you must have forgotten. I do this a lot, I just made it happen. I'm feeling alive.
Yo, team, run it up. What's poppin'? So here's the challenge. 12 hours straight Instacart. Let's get it. I just swiped a 28 double. It is 7:14 right now, and I'm about 2 minutes away from the store. So yeah, we're gonna do Instacart for 12 hours straight today, from 7 till 7, and we're gonna see how much we can make. Everyone is complaining right now that it's slow this morning, so hopefully it gets back, you know, speeding up. All right, so just for the challenge, I'm gonna keep this moving real fast. All right, so we completed this. It's 7:58. Oh my gosh, I didn't park over here. U-turn. Okay, so it is 7:58 right now, and I finished this order. So that was pretty fast, but then again, it's only a $28 batch. I got a 60, let's go. It's 8:21 and I just swiped a $60 double. So I got lucky, I'm on a different side of town and I swiped a $60 double at a different store. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna shop this and deliver this one. Let's get it. It's 8:21, second order, 60 bucks. So it's 9 o'clock, family, and I just finished the batch. Let's go. At 9 o'clock, I crushed this batch. Finished it in 27 minutes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Record breaking time. Let's get it. 27 minutes. Shop. $60 batch. We off that. Costco?
Yeah.
Dang, Bella just missed the 83.
Bro, I'm so mad I missed it.
I know. That's a good one. But yeah, all right, fam. So it's 9:58 right now. I'm at $89 and we're looking for a banger. I'm 14 minutes away from Costco, so I'm gonna try to make Costco even though it's 9:58. So I missed 3 good batches. I missed 2 40s and a 33 while I was on the highway driving back. So that kind of hurt, but it's cool. If you haven't already, like the video and manifest a banger right now. Manifest me swiping a banger. Let's get it. Yo, team, run it up. If you like the video, you just manifested greatness. I just swiped a 67 Costco. Let's go. I'm headed to Costco now to go do it. I'm only like, what, like maybe 5 minutes away from the Costco, so that's no time at all. Yo, let me show you how fast we moving today. I don't remember what time I said I swiped this batch, this 67 Costco, but look, I'm finished. I'm at checkout, and it's 10:55. That's why you gotta know your store, but we running it up today, 12 hours. We're gonna see how much we make in 12 hours. Let's get it. All right, so we just finished that batch. It's 11:30 and we're at 150 so far for the day. 150 for the day.
A dog?
Yeah, it was a random dog just running across the street. I don't know what they're doing.
It was you.
What?
Yeah,
What?
it was you.
What?
BJ's.
52.
You told me.
I got you back from yesterday. I got you back from yesterday, bro. Look, he just, yo, it's frozen right there. I just got that batch. Look, I got it.
way,
I
bro.
got it. 11 items, 2 miles.
2 miles.
2 miles, 11
I saw
items.
it.
$52. Oh, man. I'm sorry,
You're
brother.
the best, bro.
Yo, team, run it up. Y'all just seen that? I got his 52. Yo, he took my 50 yesterday, and I got him back today. Yeah, we finished that pretty fast too, fam. Let's go. Last item. Boom, here we go. This is the end result right here. Tetris game crazy. All right, so I'm back at the store. Just met up with Bella. It's 1 o'clock exactly. Well, it was 1 o'clock exactly when I finished that order. Put me at 209 for the day, and I just swiped a $39 batch. Yep, see, I'm at 209 for today so far, and it's 1 o'clock. It's 1:12 right there, and I just swiped a $39 batch. So I'm about to get something to drink and crush this order. $246, and it's 2:14 p.m. Hey fam, y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? I'm on my way right now to another grocery store because I just swiped. You know what, Bella? Tell them what I just swiped.
You just swiped an 89.
We're not gonna add it up yet. We're not gonna add it up yet until I finish it. But for those of you that want to know what it would be right now, if we found everything, it'll put us at 335. Right, so we're just gonna go do the order first because I don't know how long this order is gonna take me. I finished the order 20 minutes ago, but here's the situation. Let me show you guys. It's almost 4 o'clock. Jeez. Yeah, we're gonna finish this we're gonna finish this after 4. Probably like 4:20. Yeah, man, this was a crazy one. The shopping, it was already a lot of shopping, and now I'm in traffic. So yeah, I'm about to head out to deliver this, and I'll see you guys in a second though. We still gonna run it up. Still gonna run it up. Fam, so we finally delivered that order, and it's 4:30 p.m. Woo, that was a long one. It's 4:30 p.m. and we're at 3:10. All right, you guys, so I've been waiting, haven't seen anything worth taking. I've seen 17s and 15s and whatnot, but it's just traffic hour, and I'm not driving through all that traffic for a $15 or $17 batch. Yeah, that batch ended up going down to a 63. But hopefully the customer bumps up the tip because she loved me. She kept saying like I'm amazing and all this other stuff. So maybe she might raise it back. But it went down just for the refunds. Hopefully we can get another banger. I'm gonna go ahead and get something to eat while we look. Wish me luck. Hit that like if you haven't already. All right, fam. Got some good news. Right when I was getting like, oh man, like right when I was calling it a wrap, I swiped a 53. Let's get it. I was about to eat too, look, but I don't have time to eat now. I'm gonna do this batch. I haven't ate all day, but that's the name of the game. It's all good. It's all good. We about to run it up. All right, fam, we knocked this out real quick. It's 6 o'clock. Got to get in line. The lines are kind of crazy, right? So I can only move as fast as I can move. Hopefully I can get another batch in before the night's out. Hopefully. If I can't, we'll see. Oh yeah, and another one. The night is getting young, and I'm having problems when it comes finding everyone. The sky is no longer blue, it is turning gray. I don't know what I did today, ayy, cause I'm from like yesterday. Oh, let's get it. Oh man, woo, we made it. 3rd floor though, dang, a lot of steps. We are at 363 and it is 6:30 p.m. We're at $363. We are running it up for real. We got time for one more. I'm gonna see if I can get something good. One more batch. But yeah, we got 30 minutes. I'm gonna drive towards the store. Once it hits 7 o'clock though, I'm calling it a wrap. So hopefully we can find something before 7. And there you have it, fam. I just swiped a $12 delivery only, going 7 miles towards my house. So yeah, so I'm headed to the store to grab this order, and this might be the last order. I think it's gonna be, because it's already 6:40 now, and I still gotta drive a couple of minutes to the store, probably like 10 minutes to the store. Then I gotta scan the bags. Well, it's only one bag actually, so it's easy, it's one item. Look at that, 6:55, woo, PM. And there goes my bag right here. Here goes my one bag. I already know this is it. Boom. All right. Good night. All right. In the moment we've all been waiting for. The moment we've all been waiting for. It is 7:15 PM. How much did we make in 12 hours? Boom. There it is. 375. Do you see it? Do you see it? 375.72. It is 7:17. Yo, check this out. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like for your boy. Look, I did this for y'all. I mean, make sure you hit the like. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe, because we about to have fun on this channel. I am not the same. I am a Martian, as you guys can see. So let's have some fun on this channel. Let's run it up. You already know. Team, run it up. 12 hours in. I'm tired. I'm hungry. Haven't ate anything. So yeah, that being said, it is a wrap.